Right now, at this exact second, your body is running a secret factory hidden deep inside your bones, producing 2 million brand new blood cells every single second. And you don't feel a thing. So how does it actually work? Most people think blood just exists. But the truth is, your blood is constantly dying and being rebuilt from scratch. It all starts inside your bone marrow, the soft, spongy tissue living at the center of your largest bones. Your hips. Your spine. Your sternum. Inside that marrow lives one tiny but incredibly powerful cell, called a hematopoietic stem cell. Think of it as the master blueprint. One single cell that can become any type of blood cell your body needs. Red blood cells. White blood cells. Platelets. All of them, born from this one source. Here's where it gets wild. Your body produces roughly 200 billion red blood cells every single day. Their only job? Carry oxygen from your lungs to every corner of your body, and bring carbon dioxide back out. But red blood cells only live about 120 days. After that, your spleen and liver break them down, and bone marrow immediately gets the signal to make more. Then there are white blood cells, your body's personal army. The moment a virus enters your system, these are mass-produced on demand to destroy the threat. And platelets? Your emergency repair crew. The second you get a cut, they rush to the site and seal the wound before you bleed out. This entire system, the creation, release, and replacement of all blood cells, is called hematopoiesis. And it never stops running. But what happens when this system fails? If your bone marrow stops making enough red blood cells, you get anemia. Constant fatigue. Weakness. Can't catch your breath. If it starts producing too many abnormal white blood cells, that's leukemia. One of the most dangerous cancers on Earth. Your entire survival depends on this process working perfectly, every minute of every day, without you ever thinking about it. That's not just biology. That's engineering at a level no human has ever come close to replicating. Your body has been doing all of this, silently, perfectly, continuously, since the day you were born. Every breath you take. Every move you make. Powered by billions of cells your bones manufactured without a single instruction from you. That's how your blood is made. If this hit different, like the video, subscribe, and drop a red circle emoji in the comments if your mind is blown. See you in the next one.